2,000 years later.
Now we're down at the beach in Florence. And, oh, it's very nice. Not very close to the ocean because, well, this is as far as my foot would let me go. It is getting much, much harder to even try to walk in the sand. I have to keep my shoe on so that I keep my toe stabilized. So I have to walk in shoes on the sand, which is harder than barefoot, except for me right now. So I'm just gonna sit here, and the rest of the kids and grandkids are over there by the surf. And, yeah. Well, at least I made it down here. I don't know how long I'll stay though. The wind has got my sinuses all ramped up, and yeah. So I have one eye that's like watering so much that every time I blink, it sprays water on my lens, my glasses, and my nose will stop watering. So yeah, it's only in the 50s right now, so it's not that warm. If it wasn't windy, I think it would be much warmer, but it's not. So I'm just staying up here in the warm sand, trying to keep my energy lower so I don't have to fight with my sinuses right now. So we finished up our little vacation for Mother's Day. We had a wonderful time. Just left the, I guess it's an Airbnb kind of thing. That little cottage I was in. It's very nice. So, I'm having a little trouble because I use two different phones to take my videos. So I've been having trouble getting both sets of videos into the same sets of clips in the same video. So, might be two videos about this that are sort of simultaneously, like I'll probably create two videos, one from each phone, to put up about this. So it might seem a little off with the sequence of clips. So I apologize for that. I'm stopped by the side of the road and I have a visitor. Not sure who it is, but normal etiquette is if one person's already in a pullout, then you find the next one, but not everybody has that etiquette, so hopefully I'm not going to get bothered. So, but I'm on camera, so I guess we'll record it if I do. There's a car right there. Yep. So, anyway, never mind them. We're getting back on the road. We're headed home. We're about halfway home. It was only a 60-mile trip this time. So, we're done. We're heading home. Stopped for a little pit stop and had my little piece of cold pizza. I was going to heat it up, but I decided not to try to dig out the power bank, hook it all up. I'm ready to go home, I guess. So, probably from this point on, most of my videos will be more about gardening and frugal living than it will be about van life for a while. There's a possible trip in October, but we're not sure. It's sort of unlikely, but possible. So stay tuned for whatever interests you on my channel, and I will see you later. Well, we made it home sweet home. Everything is good in the house. So that is the finale of the trip to the coast for Mother's Day. I wanted to show you guys, I have a super frugal video for you, a very short one, because this is where it really, the frugality really comes to fruition, because I have not been able to get on the schedule for the food bank that I prefer to go to. There's two I go to. I did go to one last week, but they're cutting back on what they're giving you, and it's pretty conventional stuff. I've mentioned that before. The one that I really like that has more nutritious food that I can eat with my food sensitivities, I haven't been able to get on the schedule. So, I did get on a waiting list. She's going to try to get me in this week. Maybe I'll get on the schedule in the meantime. I don't know. But it's getting real, folks. This is what happens when this economy we have is in big trouble, because the shortages are happening. They're cutting back at the food banks. And if you don't stay on the ball with getting to your food bank, because I went out of town and I didn't get on the schedule because I was out of town, I wouldn't have made it. I wanted to make sure I can make it and not be a no-show. But let me show you. That's it. That's all. That's all that is left in my refrigerator. It is basically empty. I am putting some things back in. I wanted to show you, if I had eaten all the food I took with me, this is what I'd come home to. Almost nothing. And the freezer, oh, remember if you watch my videos, I stock up my freezer. What I did do was, just before I left, I made an online order. Because I hadn't gotten to the food bank, I went ahead and spent some money that I can't necessarily afford, but I save my money for those emergencies and stock up. Oh, it's yelling at me. And I stock up on Beyond. So, Thrive Market, which I talked about before, if you spend $99, you can get free shipping on a frozen box of food. So I went ahead and spent the $100. I do that about every 3 months. And just stock up on my proteins. So that's it. And here's the small bag of food that came back from my little mini Mother's Day vacation. That's it. After putting the few things away I brought back, these will be my meals for the week. And then I'm going to have to start working on doing protein, since I got my protein. And all my sides are going to have to be the pantry stretchers this week. So all my sides are going to have to come out. Veggies, fruits and veggies up there. Yep.